Are you wondering how JuggleHire works? Let's dive in. The candidate inbox is where you'll spend most of your time managing candidates. To access it, click on either Active Jobs or Closed Jobs. The candidate inbox has two views, the listing view and the board view. In the candidate board view, you can see all candidates in each pipeline stage. You can add, rename, and sort these stages to match your hiring process. In the candidate listing view, the left side shows a list of candidates and the right side displays the profile of the selected candidate. Unread applications are marked in blue. Each candidate profile includes their name, email, phone number, application date, resume, cover letter, and any additional information you requested during the job posting. Candidate management. For each application, you can mark candidates as good fit, not a fit, or maybe based on their profiles. If you choose good fit, you can shortlist the candidate, move them to the next stage of your hiring process, or schedule an interview. If you choose not a fit, you can send a rejection email. If you're undecided, you can choose maybe. You can also add notes for your team and segment profiles using tags. Job posting. To create a new job opening, click the plus button. Job posting consists of three parts: job description, custom application form builder, automated candidate screening. In the first step, fill in the job description and click Save. In the second stage, fill in the required fields, name, email, and resume. You can also choose to request a phone number and cover letter. Add custom questions by selecting from a wide range of question types. Save your questions and add screening questions as needed. Once you're ready, click Publish. Congratulations! You just published a new job opening. Now share the opening with the world by copying the link and posting it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Slack, Discord, and other social media platforms. JuggleHire generates a beautiful job preview image to help attract top talent. Career page setup. Candidates who click on your job opening will land on your career page. Here's how to set it up. Visit the career page. Add your organization's information, social media links, story, workplace culture, and benefits. Hit Save and revisit your career page. See the difference? I know, JuggleHire is amazing. Let's see what else is there. Team collaboration. At JuggleHire, we believe in collaboration. Let's see how collaboration works. Invite team members from the organization settings page. Admin roles have access to all jobs except billing and organization deletion features. Recruiters can create new jobs and have access to specific jobs as assigned. From the job listing or candidate inbox page, search by name to add collaborators. Collaborators can browse candidate profiles, shortlist, reject, move candidates to next stages, add tags, schedule interviews, leave notes, add candidates manually, and customize the hiring pipeline. Don't stop there. With JuggleHire, you can view a candidate's previous application history, download job post QR codes, customize your hiring pipeline, customize email templates, set up a custom domain for your career page, and access your talent pool. Integrate third-party applications such as Google Calendar, Gmail, custom email SMTP connections, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? Try JuggleHire today and start building your dream team.